It's gonna be a detailed and brief review of the Osprey Nebula 32 liters backpack that is currently perhaps the most popular in its niche for everyday use or travel. However, I cannot call it absolutely perfect, so first I will demonstrate its capacity by packing it for a 2-week trip. The laptop compartment actually zips open flat, complying with TSA regulations for faster security checks. This makes the Nebula a TSA-friendly backpack. Osprey Nebula could be a personal item for airplanes, but it depends on their airline's size restrictions. So, double-check the airline's website for carry-on and personal item allowances. And one important thing, the backpack comes with a lifetime warranty. The materials and zippers look pretty durable, but is this backpack truly waterproof? Well, probably it's not. Water somehow seeped into the backpack. I'd like to point out that this Osprey is incredibly comfortable to wear, even when it's completely full. Well, just in case, this backpack has a Proposition 65 warning, so if you're unfamiliar with it, please visit the official website for more information. And finally, one last important point. This backpack does not have a dedicated carry-on sleeve, so please keep this in mind if you plan to use it for air travel.